So I've just picked up the new King's 36Ah Lithium battery pack. I plan to run this instead of a dual battery system in the F-150. Gives me the opportunity to run the fridge in the back of the F-truck without having to spend a heap of money running power all the way through there, extra lithium battery and all that sort of stuff. I've pretty much always got the camper trailer or the caravan or something like that, so it's really only for day trips and that sort of thing, or if I want to take the F-truck out for a couple of days and just swag it for the weekend or something. I'm hoping to be able to run the fridge off this and then power this off the SIG socket in the back in the tub of the F-truck. That should keep this charged and this should keep the fridge charged, something like that. So let's crack into it and have a look and see what's it all about. User manual. I think actually comes in this neoprene bag, which is pretty good. Hopefully it might keep it protected. Cord, USB-C to USB-C. So that's obviously going to have to go into a SIG socket type thing. I need to figure out how I'm going to hold that all together so it doesn't vibrate loose in the back of the F-truck. Fairly heavy. I think it's about 4.5 kilos. Should be good. Fairly solid little unit. Couple of SIG sockets on the front. 12 volt, 25 amp. Anderson plug in the middle. Solar input, USB-C input and output. And another DC charging input, a couple of USB-A's and another USB-C input, and light there on the front of it. Cool. It's already got 3 bars here, but I'm going to plug it into my 240 volt 65 watt charger, and we'll leave that overnight. And then set it up, throw it in the back of the F-truck with the fridge, and we'll see how it all goes. All right, here we go. The 36 amp hour battery pack's in there, plugged into a dual USB SIG socket charging port. The 45 litre Evercool King's fridge plugged into that through the Anderson on the lithium power pack. Now that USB charger is only a 1.5 amp, so it's really only going to charge the battery pack when the fridge isn't running. Probably definitely not big enough to do what I need it to do, but we'll I guess prove concept, and then I'll find a bigger amp USB charger for the SIG socket plug down here. So right, I've also got the thermostat in there as well, so I'll be able to keep an eye on that, see if the fridge is keeping up or not. So we'll check back in a couple of days and have a look at how it's gone. As you can see, the King's 36ah Lithium battery pack is back on charge on a 240 volt charger. It didn't quite keep up with the USB-C charger that I had set up in the back of the F-150. I have now ordered a 12 volt 5 amp SIG socket to DC plug. So I'm going to try that next, and hopefully that'll be able to keep up enough power to the battery pack to be able to then charge the fridge. It did obviously last 24 to 36 hours running the fridge in the back of the F-150 as I drove around here and there, but it wasn't as long as I would have hoped. But I also was only driving a couple of hours a day as well. So we really need to get that charge back into this as quick as possible. So running that 5 amp 12 volt charger should sort of fix that. I'm still hoping to be able to use the battery pack and the extra fridge in the back of the F-150 when I go to the Cape later in the year. I'll have to figure out a way to get around that. Worst case scenario is I'll be able to then charge either the battery pack or power the fridge off the camper while we're stopped overnight and that sort of thing. The camper's definitely got enough power to charge that, but a little bit disappointed that this didn't just work out of the box, or that this didn't come with a suitable 12 volt charger. So if you guys got one of these and you found a way to keep this charged out of a SIG socket in the back of your car, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. I'm hoping that my solution is going to be suitable, but we'll check back when I get a hold of that and I'll give you an update on that. Until then, like, subscribe, hang around for other four-wheel drive and products and stuff like that. I'll see you soon.